The next set of reports are provided to give you an understanding of which items in your inventory are moving better than others. If you click Reports, you'll find top down of fastest moving items to customers, top down of fastest moving items to dealers, and top down of fastest moving items, all sales. Let's look at customers first. For each of these reports, I'm allowed to select a date range, or I can leave the date range blank and it will print the report for all records in my database. When I click Print, the top-down list of products sold to customer report is displayed. You'll find this report gives you the stock number, the description, and the quantities sold. AMSWin will check all transactions in your date range and then list each stock number that's sold in the order of most sales to fewest sales. I can also print the same report for my dealers by clicking Reports and then top down of fastest moving items to dealers. Again, I specify a date range, or in this case, leave it blank. I click the Print button, and the same report, but for dealers, is displayed. You'll see stock number, you'll see description, and then the quantity sold. If I want to see my fastest moving items, regardless of whether they were sales to customers or other dealers, then I simply click the Reports menu and choose Top Down of Fastest Moving Items, All Sales. I specify a date range and then click Print. This time, the report accumulates all transactions within my date range, regardless of whether they were customer or dealer transactions. It's also very important for you to know which customers are your best customers. AMSWin provides 2 reports that provide this information. If you click the Reports menu and then choose Top Down of Best Customers by Sales Totals, you will then be asked to add a date range. When you click Print, the top-down Best Customers by Total Sales report will be displayed. This report will display every customer that has purchased from you within your date range, and it will display those customers in order from the most sales to the least sales. And then you will receive a total sales at the bottom of the report. Likewise, if you click the Reports menu, you can also choose Top Down of Best Dealers by Sales Totals. Again, you will be asked to add a date range. When you click Print, the top-down Best Dealers by Sales Totals report is displayed. As with the customers, this report will display all dealers who have purchased from you, and it will arrange them in order from most sales to least sales. And at the bottom, you'll receive a total sales number. Occasionally, you'd like to do an analysis of sales of a particular product. You can do so in AMSWin by clicking the Reports menu and choosing List of all sales of a particular product. When selected, you have the opportunity to add a date range, or you can select a specific stock number. If you decide you'd like to do some analysis on a particular stock number or on a particular series, you can do so by using a wildcard. The asterisk is the wildcard in this instance. So if I want to do an analysis on sales of all of my TSO products, I can do so by typing TSO and then following that by an asterisk. The asterisk means that any characters can be included after the T and the S and the O. When I click the Print button, the report will be displayed of all of my TSO products. The report is also grouped by customer purchases and dealer purchases. You'll notice my customer purchases are first, and it shows I have one customer who purchased TSO01 and it gave the date of the purchase. Next, you'll see my dealer purchases, and there were 2 separate purchases by Beth Bronson and 1 by Jonathan Cartwright.